Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram not login problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the Instagram application, and then you need to update. Click on update button. Okay, then you need to go back and go into the settings and go into the app management, and in the app list you need to search for the Instagram. Okay, and then you need to click on the storage and cache. And the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permission, as you can see that. And once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and log in into your account on Instagram, and after that your issue will be resolved. Currently my Instagram is updating, so that's why it's not opening. So let me show you in few seconds that my issue will be resolved. So wait for a few seconds, it will done. Okay, then I need to click on open, and here you can see that my issue is resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.